Hello students, please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share and comment. This is exercise number 5 and 6 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine, June 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Let us now see how decentralized democracy in the Nagarpalika compares with decentralized democracy in the panchayats. Democracy in village panchayats have two distinctive characteristics. First, the individual voter has a close personal relationship and ready access to the elected representative because, on an average, each punch represents between 100 to 500 voters. Second, each punch has a voice which counts for a great deal in the panchayat. It is the combination of these two factors, the personal contact between the voters and the elected representative, and the importance of the elected representative in the elected body, which is the first essential step towards eliminating the power broker from the polity. In contrast to the three levels of Panchayati Raj, we have so far only had single tier municipal administration. This works fairly satisfactorily in smaller towns because the wards are small and the municipal council compact. However, as the town grows larger, the distance between the voter and his representative increases. The number of members of the municipality also tends to increase. By the time towns grow into cities and cities into metropolises, the medium size of the ward expands to 30,000 and more, extending in the case of one Delhi ward even to 2 lakhs and above. The membership of the corporation also expands to nearly 150 members. To bring democracy in urban settlements closer to the people in the mohallas and the neighborhoods where they live, the Nagarpalika bill proposes two changes. These changes are by no means a radical new departure. They build upon existing informal arrangements and administrative structure. In all urban settlements with a population of a lakh or more, we propose the constitution by direct election of wards committees to whom the municipality will devolve local powers and local responsibilities and such finances as are required to carry out their assigned tasks. We leave it to state legislatures to determine the territorial area and size of population which will be served by a wards committee. We would hope the jurisdiction of a committee would be sufficiently compact to give citizens a sense of personal involvement in the affairs of their neighborhood and ready access to the elected representative to deal with their ward level problems. The ward councillor will be a member of the ward committee and will constitute the link between the ward and the municipality. In cities with a population above 3 lakhs, we propose that the chairpersons of the wards committees be constituted into a zonal committee. The determination of the territorial area and size of population falling within a zonal committee is left to the state legislatures to decide. Powers, responsibilities, and finances will devolve to the zonal committee from the municipal corporation. A great advantage of the introduction of a two-tier system of municipal administration in the larger municipal councils and of a three-tier system of municipal administration in municipal corporation is that it will leave councillors and corporators free to deal with city level issues, with matters of policy such as citywide infrastructure, overall economic and social development, linkages with neighboring municipalities, and economic interaction with the district as a whole. Hitherto, the absence of effective representative local self-government has introduced a glaring distortions in our system. If a drain in a mohalla gets blocked, the ward councillor, the president of the municipality, the MLA, the MP, and the local minister are all together approached to get the drain unblocked. Sometimes the unblocking of the drain even requires the intervention of the Prime Minister. The removal of such distortions require a system change so that each level focuses on its level of responsibility. The establishment of wards committees will give the people of the mohalla, the locality or neighborhood, a sense of personal involvement in their civic affairs. It will afford an opportunity for public spirited citizens to serve their locality. It will help focus attention on how the people themselves view their problems and the solutions they suggest. It will help mobilize local participation and local resources for local development. It will give voluntary organizations a neighborhood forum in which to share ideas and explore the scope for citizen action. The city will then truly belong to the people. The importance of this, the poorer parts of the city cannot be overemphasized. Today, the unrecognized and unwanted are left uncared for. They huddle together in growing slums. They are unrecognized because they are unauthorized. They wait in dread of the moment when they will be uprooted. Uprooted, they settle themselves elsewhere. To be settled somewhere they must. That they are unauthorized does not mean they do not exist. They do, and for their protection, they turn to the slum bully who terrorizes them into submission, but in exchange offers a measure of protection. The children of the unwanted are then thrown into the underworld. The wards committee offer these unfortunates a new hope of a new dawn. The mohalla can begin looking after its own.